Your phone notifications are not showing. Here's how to fix it. First, check your focus mode. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center. Look for the focus or Do Not Disturb icon. If it is enabled, tap it once to turn it off. If notifications are still missing, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap Notifications. Under the Display As section, select Stack. Next, tap Show Previews and set it to Always. Make sure notification previews are allowed. Still not working? Let's refresh your iPhone. Quickly press Volume Up, then Volume Down, and hold the side button. Keep holding until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. This process will not delete your data. If you still don't receive notifications, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. At the bottom, tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. After it's done, reconnect to Wi-Fi and check your notifications again. They should be working perfectly now. And that's it.